Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best flash paper wand on the market. The Wizarding World Harry Potter 12-inch Spellbinding Harry Potter wand with a collectible spell card. If you're a fan of the Wizarding World or just looking for an immersive magical experience, this wand promises to bring your favorite spells to life in a fun and authentic way. First off, this wand measures a solid 12 inches, which strikes a perfect balance between being lightweight and easy to handle, especially for kids aged 6 and up. The design is incredibly detailed, capturing the essence of Harry Potter's wand from the movies. Complete with a weighted base that gives it a nice heft and makes it feel more like a real wand rather than just a toy. This weighted base also helps with grip, allowing for smoother wand movements that feel natural and fluid. One of the standout features of this product is the collectible spell card included in the package. This card doesn't just serve as a cool collector's item. It actually teaches you how to perform the iconic Augmenti spell, guiding you through the wand movements step by step. It's a creative touch that encourages imaginative play while helping you master one of the famous spells from the series. What's even better is that each wand in this spellbinding collection comes with a different spell card, so if you collect more of them, you can expand your spellcasting repertoire and relive more magical moments from the Wizarding World. The wand itself is made with attention to detail, from the textured handle to the overall finish, providing a visually appealing and authentic look. Although it's crafted from plastic, it feels sturdy and durable enough for regular play and collecting. The 12-inch size makes it easy for kids and fans alike to wield the wand comfortably without it feeling too bulky or too fragile. This product is perfect as a gift for young Harry Potter fans or collectors who want an authentic replica that is also interactive. Whether it's for birthdays, Christmas, or just a special treat, this wand encourages creativity, roleplay, and endless magical adventures. Plus, the fact that it's officially licensed by the Wizarding World adds to its credibility and appeal. In summary, the Wizarding World Harry Potter 12-inch Spellbinding wand stands out not only for its faithful design, but also for the engaging way it connects fans with the magic of Harry Potter through the spell card. It's a wonderful blend of collectible and interactive toy that delivers a delightful experience for kids and collectors alike. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking to bring a little magic home, this wand is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews. Until next time, keep the magic alive.